This is from Honeywell. It's a portable mood table lamp for your nightstand, child's room, living room, wherever you need to have a battery-operated lamp swiveled to light up your area. As we open up the box to show you how well it's presented, it has a small instruction guide on top and inside as well, a booklet. As we unwrap and take out the product from the interior, the table stand, USB-C compliance to USB-C cord, the top hat of the light with the light on the bottom in white, and the controls on top. And inside the box is the stem with the swivel head. It's very easy to assemble in under a minute's time. As the bottom has feet and rubber for protection of the table, you simply take the head of the unit and place on magnetic. With the built-in 5200 milliamp battery from 6 to 35 hours of runtime, battery operated, no remote control. To charge the unit, simply lift the handle on top, swivel around, plug in to a USB-C power support plug. Charges at 5 volts, a half an amp. Showing of the red indicator for charge. 3000 through 5500 Kelvin with RGB lighting with the on and off switch located on top to turn the unit on. Let's make sure everything is nice and tight. Close the handle down and turn the light on by a short press. We have an RGB on one side and a light on the other side. Long and short presses will change the lighting conditions from 3000 Kelvin to 5500 Kelvin. The light has a spectrum for blue light. The Sunturalux 2835 full spectrum with the color of CR95 and blue light protection flicker. We're going to change the lighting conditions and shut out lights on top, off. As we hit the light, a long press, we could brighten up the light. And then we could change the different Kelvin levels, off to on and Kelvins. We could change the RGB on and off by a long press, and the RGB will turn back on when pressing. If you need to hang the light separately off the base, that is what the handle is for, showing you what the light looks like. Adjustment angles to the swivel. The top acts as a night light, stayed on in purple. To change it, just a short press, it'll start to rotate around. For further information can be found in the multi-language manual. The Honeywell light can light up the area and shine and brighten up small areas that does not have electricity near. For those outages that you need to have a light to see in the dark and light up the area to change and put a night light on, place it where your entertainment's at. Turn on and off the night light and choose the colors you like. Brighten and dim down your light. I hope you enjoy your Honeywell night table stand swivel light mood light. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.